वेरी गुड इवनिंग एवरीवन। सबकी पेट पूजा चल रही है पूरे मजे में। वेल तैयार हो जाए एवरीबॉडी। चीज गैलोर यानी कि सेलिब्रिटीज यहाँ पे बैक टू बैक आने वाले हैं कुछ देर में। द फर्स्ट सेलिब्रिटी टू जॉइन अस फॉर द इवनिंग, इनका नाम आपने डेफिनेटली सुना ही है। आई एम टॉकिंग
थोड़ा कम डालना ये
रेगुलर देना।
दही भल्ला पापड़ी चाट।
Good evening, all the dear shoppers. Presenting to you Jeep, the brand with its legacy of 81 years has brought a new launch sophisticated SUV, the Jeep Meridian. Right here on display on my right side, it offers capabilities with luxury. Check out the all-new Jeep Meridian right here on this Fiesta. Gets it everyone in just a short while from
and everything's fine. Life too, but I can't help falling in love with you. River flows surely to the sea, darling, so it goes. Some things are meant to be. Take my hand, take my whole life too, but I can't falling in love with you. Thank you so much, guys. So this was Can't Help Falling in Love by Elvis Presley. I hope you all enjoyed the song. Look into my eyes, you will see what you mean to me. Search no more, don't tell me it's not worth trying for. You can't tell me it's not worth dying for. You know it's true. Everything I do it for you. You know it's true. Everything I do it for you. There's no more love. There's no all the way. You can tell.
뭐냐 여기야? Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. चलो 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 चलो
She has worked in television serials like Chandrakanta, reality shows like Nach Baliye 9 and Big Boss 13 and much more. Zara zordar taaliyan bajaye for this gorgeous beauty gracing our event. मुझे आवाज बहुत कम सुनाई दे रही है. What do you say, Madhurima? Come on, everyone, make some noise. Can we have one more mic, please? Come on, make some noise for Madhurima Tulli, everybody. Same here. Can we hear? I think they are stunned. Madhurima, they are stunned to see you over here. I hope for you. Thank you so much for joining us. It means a lot.
So much for having me here. Thank you so much for coming. मैं स्पेशली यहाँ पे इसलिए आई हूँ because I love पानी पूरी और ये पानी पूरी फेस्टिवल है, so I had to be here.
मधुरिमा, इससे पहले कि आप और ज्यादा बोले और यहाँ पे लोग और एक्साइटेड हो, मैं कुछ लोगों को स्टेज पे बुलाना चाहती हूँ. प्लीज अलाउ मी टू डू दैट. थैंक यू सो मच. प्लीज कम इन सेंटर. ऑलराइट एवरीवन, चलिए. आई रिक्वेस्ट मिस्टर राहुल शुक्ला टू प्लीज फेलिसिटेट मधुरिमा विद समथिंग ऑलराइट. जरा जोरदार तालियां बजाएं. कम ऑन एवरीवन, कैन आई हियर सम हूटिंग? मेक सम नॉइस. थैंक यू सो मच. I request over here now Mr. Amit from RCT Mall Ghatkopar to please join us on the stage and felicitate Madhurima. Zara zordar taaliyan bajaye. Come on everyone. Please smile for the camera.
Thank you.
Thank you Amit for joining us on the stage. Thank you. I request over here Mr. Yash from LG Hing, who is our spice partner, to please join us on the stage and felicitate Madhurima. Zara spicy taaliyan ho jaye. Come on everybody. Thank you so much Yash. I also request over here Mr. Girish, who's our event partner from Solitaire Events, to please join us on the stage. Taaliyan bajaye everybody. Come on. This event has been entirely organized by Solitaire Events. इनके लिए जोरदार तालियां बजनी चाहिए. Come on everyone, make some noise. Thank you so much.
Lovely show.
चढ़ जाओ ऊपर चढ़ जाओ. किसका लूंगा?
Can I also have Mr. Vinod and Mr. Naresh from Midday to join me on the stage?
किसका लूं?
तालियां बजाएं इनके लिए. तालियां क्यों रुक गई है? Come on, make some noise. Please join us on the stage. एक ग्रुप फोटो होना तो बनता है.
आप ग्रुप फोटो थोड़ा सा पीछे जाइए सर.
Big smile for the camera, please.
Yes. सामने सामने.
Thank you once again. Thank you so much. मधुरिमा, मैं अब आपको जरा भी नहीं रोकने वाली हूँ. अब आप इतना तैयार होकर इतनी खूबसूरत लग रही है. पानी पूरी खाने के लिए कोई इतना तैयार होता है मैंने अभी देखा है. ये मौका हमें नहीं छोड़ना चाहिए. Tell me which is your favorite पानी पूरी?
I think I've had जलजीरा पानी पूरी और इमली का पानी पूरी. That's my favorite. मतलब मैं पानी पूरी के बगैर नहीं रह सकती honestly. मतलब कहीं भी मैं जाती हूँ I have to have पानी पूरी. और ये फेस्टिवल था तो I thought I have to be here and try different flavors because I've never tried different flavors of pani puri. So this is the first time I'm going to be trying different flavors.
मतलब बिल्कुल सही जगह पे आई हो आप अपने टेस्ट बड्स को यहाँ पे रॉक करने के लिए. एंड एनीथिंग एल्स यू लाइक टू से टू आवर हमारे पानी पूरी वाले यहाँ पे जो भी यहाँ पे उनसे आप कुछ कहना चाहेंगी?
मैं कहूँगी कि hats off to you all. मतलब 20 stalls लगा, more than 20 stalls. I think it's great. पहली बार मैं actually सुन रही हूँ इसलिए जब कि season 3 चल रही है. Varieties of pani puri, that's what. I mean, I am so happy to be here and I'm hearing this for the first time. And Ghatkopar, you guys are lucky that इतने सारे stalls आपको मिल रहे हैं पानी पूरी के. हमारे अंधेरी या बैंगलोर या कहीं भी और नहीं मिलते हैं. So it's very very good. And to all the pani puri makers, congratulations. आप सबको बहुत बहुत बधाइयाँ. And yeah, have fun, enjoy yourself, have a lot of pani puri क्योंकि मैं बहुत सारे लोगों की तरफ से पानी पूरी खाने वाली हूँ अभी.
चलो मधुरिमा, हम आपको ज्यादा इंतजार नहीं कराएंगे, लेकिन उससे पहले मैं यहाँ पे आपसे रिक्वेस्ट करूंगी कि मैं कुछ हमारी पानीपुरी जो हमारे स्टॉल की टीम है उनको मैं बुलाना चाहूंगी स्टेज पे. So to motivate them, I request you to felicitate them. All right. So let's begin over here, everyone. I request over here the team of Kailash Parbat, the team of Kailash Parbat, to please join us on the stage. Please do join us on the stage. The team of Zordar Tali Bajai, everybody. This is Sir is here from the team of Kailash Parbat.
राहुल भाई
Rahul sir, please do join us for the picture. Thank you so much. Congratulations. ऐसे ही सबको ट्रीट देते रहिए. Let's go for the next one. The team Spice Laundry by Spice Laundry. Everyone इनके लिए जोरदार तालियां बजाएं. ये आपको पूरे 3 दिन से पानी पूरी खिलाते जा रहे हैं और अपना काम करते जा रहे हैं. Thank you so much. Next I request Via Calcutta team. इनके लिए जोरदार ताली बजाएं everyone. Amazing charts at their place and this is for you. The next team, the team of Green Center.
सामने सामने
Please come to the main stage. Thank you so much. Here is the team of Green Center जो बहुत ही awesome से पानी पूरी बना रहे हैं. Congratulations. जरा तालियां बजाएंगे. Come on everyone. Thank you so much. The team of Smiley Pops. Smiley Pops, can we have you on the stage please? The team of Smiley Pops. The team of the Sancha House. Please to join us. You are from sir. Smiley Pops की टीम आई है स्माइल करते हुए. So here is picture time please. Big smile for the camera. Thank you so much sir. Smile करते करते जाइए. Smile करते करते सर्व कीजिए. Can we have the Sancha House? All right. जोरदार ताली बजाएं for them everyone. Great job. Great going. Thank you so much. Next we have the team of Malusare. The team of Malusare. Can we have you? Alright, दौड़ती आई है यहाँ पे the team of Malusare. मधुरिमा तुमसे मिलने आई है कि फेलिसिटेशन लेने, मुझे पता नहीं चल रहा है. Alright, so big smile for the camera please. Last but not the least, can we have the team of Chandrika Bains India Food? Chandrika Bains India Food. Chandrika Bains India Food. Can we have you on the stage? Chandrika Bains India Food. Give me one second.
क्या देख रही है? हमारी पीठ देख रही है.
All right, the team of DP's Fast Food, please join us. DP's Fast Food, इनके लिए जोरदार तालियां बजाएं everyone. Very well done. जरा smile करके लो ये. He's a little nervous it seems. Madhurima. All right. Congratulations and keep serving like that. Thank you so much. मधुरिमा, अब तुम्हें इंतजार नहीं कराएंगे. मुझे पता है तुम्हारी आंखें बार-बार वहाँ पे पानी पूरी स्टॉल पे जा रही है. Last but not the least, can we have the mic once again? Do we have the mic here? Do we have the mic here? All right. मधुरिमा, जाने से पहले आप और कुछ कहना चाहेंगे हमारे इतने सारे शॉपर्स को जो आपके लिए यहाँ पे कब से रुके हैं? What would you like to say to them? Any message for them, please?
I would say thank you so much. आपने इतना इंतजार किया. Hello. ये बात में
अरे वो खुद आएंगे आपके पास.
सबके साथ फोटो भी खिंचवाऊंगी definitely. But thank you so much. आपने इतना इंतजार किया and मुझे यहाँ आने का मौका मिला. Thank you Midday also for having me over and I hope you guys are enjoying. आप लोगों ने पानी पूरी खाई कि नहीं खाई?
सबने खाई है लेकिन
पेट भर के.
लेकिन अभी तुम्हारे साथ भी खाने वाले
अब
हैं.
मेरी बारी है. So yes, अब मैं वेट कर रही हूँ जाने का पानी पूरी खाने का. So thank you so much for waiting and keep showering your love and enjoy the show.
Thank you so much. जोरदार ताली बजाएं everybody for the beautiful Madhurima Tulli. Come on. Alright everybody, मजा आया कि नहीं? ये तो बच्चों बाकी थोड़ा साइड हो जाओ. Yes. Everyone, come on, raise your hands. Come on, raise your hands. Both your hands. Thank you so much, Madhurima. Alright everybody, कुछ ही देर में हमारे बीच में और भी सेलिब्रिटीज आएंगे. I request everyone to please be below the stage. सब स्टेज से नीचे रहेंगे please.
बचाने वाला ही गिर गया.
I think Midday Pani Puri Fiesta is awesome, rocking right now because the best part is it has more than 20 stalls of Pani Puri and different flavors, which is fantastic. I've never seen this before. I knew that there was season 1 and season 2 happening, but I had no idea that they had so many stalls, different flavors. I am super excited to be here because I love pani puri. मुझे pani puri का बहुत शौक है. I mean, sometimes I really crave for it. So actually pani puri and October is really lucky to be having this kind of festival.
तो being a celebrity कितना ज़्यादा मुश्किल होता है जब आप शादी के जहाँ बाहर जाके पानी पूरी खाते हैं, people recognize you and see you, तो कितना ज़्यादा हो जाता है.
मतलब इच्छा होती है पानी पूरी खाने की. मैं तो चली आती हूँ. मैं तो पेशेंट हूँ पानी पूरी के मामले में. I love it so much. मुझे अगर फैमिली के साथ हो तो फैमिली के साथ फर्क नहीं पड़ता है. अकेले जाने में थोड़ा सा शर्म आती है कि मतलब ये तो पागल ही है. बट फैमिली के साथ अगर जा रहे हो आप तो आई थिंक मतलब मुझे कुछ स्टॉल्स हैं जैसे मुझे कैलकाटा की पुचकास मुझे बहुत पसंद है. तो जुहू में एक है वहाँ का स्टॉल एंड वन इज़ लोखंडवाला का कुछ स्टॉल, वहाँ मुझे वो बहुत पसंद है. सो ये कुछ स्टॉल्स हैं यहाँ पे. आई रियली एंजॉय खाने पानी.
वॉकआउट में वीडियो एप्लीकेशन होती है कैनफुल मतलब स्टोरीज करती है और कितना अलग बात है और कब से फॉलो कर रही है इस एप्लीकेशन को, कितना वेट करती है.
मिड डे को मैं काफ़ी टाइम से फॉलो कर रही हूँ एंड मिड डे पब्लिकेशन इज आई थिंक लाइक सिंस देयर फॉर अ वेरी लॉन्ग टाइम एंड आई वाज रीडिंग इट फॉर अ वेरी लॉन्ग टाइम. और मेरे भी कुछ न्यूज़ आर्टिकल्स आए हैं. दे बीन वेरी कोऑपरेटिव विद मी एंड वेरी गुड पीपल, वेरी गुड जर्नलिस्ट. सो आई हैव अ गुड टाइम रीडिंग मिड डे.
छोटी-छोटी चीज़ें होती हैं, ये छोटी-छोटी चीज़ें ही बड़ी बन जाती हैं. और हमको छोटी-छोटी चीज़ों पे ही ध्यान देना चाहिए. जो मिड डे हमेशा करते रहे हैं और करते रहे. और हम लोगों का काम है रीडर्स के साथ में एंगेज होना, कनेक्ट करना. जो आई थिंक आप सब लोग देख ही रहे हैं.
Lastly, what's going on professional front? Any project you're working on or
Yes, there is one project coming up. फिल्म आ रही है तेहरान 2023 with John Abraham. So I'm very excited about it. Hopefully आप लोग जल्दी पता चलेगा.
Did you have something? You're waiting for me. Okay, I'll join you guys in a while. So I've been dieting for a week so that I can come.
को पानी पूरी खाने के लिए भेजे and you speak a few words. Can I request a few people to come on the stage if it's okay with you? Alright, I request over here Mr. Rahul Shukla, Business Head, Midday Info Media Limited, to please join on the stage and felicitate Pooja. Can we have a round of applause, everybody? Zordar taaliyan bajai, come on!
All of this is pani puri.
Over here, we have all these are pani puri stalls, also shopping stalls over here. Zordar taaliyan bajai, everybody, come on, make some noise. Thank you so much, Rahul sir. I request over here Mr. Amit from RCT Mall Ghatkopar to please join us on the stage and felicitate Miss Pooja. Zara zordar taaliyan bajai, come on everyone. Please smile for the camera. Thank you so much, Mr. Amit. I request over here Miss Payal and Mr. Azam from LG Hing, who is our spice partner, to please join us on the stage and felicitate Pooja. जरा जोरदार तालियां बजाएं, एकदम स्पाइसी तालियां होनी चाहिए हमारे LG Hing के टीम के लिए. Thank you so much.
Any more gifts?
Well, I request over here last but not the least हमारे इवेंट मैनेजर जो हमारे ये पूरे जिसने ये इवेंट ऑर्गेनाइज किया है फ्रॉम सॉलिटेयर इवेंट्स, मिस्टर गिरीश, टू प्लीज जॉइन अस ऑन द स्टेज एंड क्लिक अ पिक्चर एंड वेल मिड डे के हमारे सर तो है ही. कैन वी क्लिक अ पिक्चर? पूजा, कैन वी प्लीज हैव यू फॉर अ पिक्चर विद द टीम प्लीज? प्लीज सर आप लोग पीछे आ जाए. थैंक यू सो मच. ऑल स्माइल्स फॉर द कैमरा प्लीज. जोरदार तालियां बजाएं, कम ऑन एवरीवन. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. आज पूजा, चलो अब कुछ बातें करते हैं. ये बहुत बड़ी बात होने वाली है यहाँ पे. मुझे बताओ पानी पूरी कितना पसंद है तुम्हें?
पानी पूरी जब कोई भी नाम सुनता है सबके दिमाग में अलग अलग ख्याल आते होंगे, इमेजिनेशन आता होगा, टेस्ट आता होगा, किसी के मुंह में पानी आता होगा. बट पानी पूरी का नाम सुन के मेरे दिमाग में जहन में सिर्फ एक शब्द आता है, दैट इज पिटाई। क्योंकि मैंने बचपन में पैसे चोरी कर करके खूब पानी पूरी खाई है। It's like such an honest confession. Like seriously, like बच्चे I think पैसे चोरी करते होंगे चॉकलेट के लिए, मैं पानी पूरी खाई। In fact, you know, I'm sure you must have heard all celebrities saying that thank you for inviting me on for this event, and you know this is one of the most special events. But actually, genuinely, I mean this when I say this. This is actually the most special event. I'll tell you why. My mother and my sister especially are extremely camera shy. मतलब अगर कैमरा सामने आ जाता है मेरी बहन भाग जाती है. My mommy still attends like 20 or 30% of my events in Bombay and about 10% of my shoots. But the moment I told them that this event is a Pani Puri event, can you believe they are both here? They are literally my mother and sister. My sister's again.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for joining us on behalf of Vijay.
My
Thank you so
sister's
much.
again disappeared. But they were like, oh, Pani Puri, hum bhi aa rahe hain. So this is actually a very, oh, there she is. Didi, come on stage for once.
Please do join us, ma'am.
No, where in the Shubhra?
Shubhra, please do join us. Shubhra, please join us. Ma'am, आप भी आइए, please.
Okay,
Can I request the
this
family?
is history being created. Shubhra Chopra for the first time. Shubhra Mendonca now she married, sorry. So for the first time ever.
जोरदार तालियां बजाएं. Come on,
facing the
everybody.
media. Oh my God, I have to clap. Oh, she's crying. Look at her. Oh my God.
ये पानी पूरी की खुशी के आंसू है, शुभ्रा. ये पानी पूरी
Oh
की
my
खुशी
God.
के आंसू है. I can understand that.
It's actually a very special event for me. Thank you guys for having me. Oh my God. It's actually, oh my God, don't cry.
Thank you so much,
Actually,
guys.
but she's running away again. There she goes.
नहीं पूजा, they are going to eat pani puri. Yes, we can understand. अच्छा, Pooja, I'd like to ask you something. How has your Femina Miss India journey been? यहाँ पे कितने सारे लोग, I'm sure, especially girls, we can see all these, they want to hear about it. Please tell us about it.
Actually, the journey has been, I'm not going to say it's been a bed of roses, it's been pretty tumultuous. I think ज़िंदगी में कहीं भी पहुंचने के लिए you need to have two things. One is hard work, one is consistency. Apart from having an ambition, I think that's all I had. I had my mother as my motivation to drive me to work hard, and I was consistent. And I think, yeah, that's what's led me to this. But definitely no diet of Pani Puri, which happened during the journey. But I've been extremely grateful to God. I think that things have fallen in place for me. And most of you people here who've always supported me and been by my side. I've been a normal, regular school and college going girl from Pune, just exactly like you guys. So the support and the love, it really means a lot to me, my entire family. So thank you. Thank you for supporting me, loving me throughout the journey. To say the least, this is just the start. So just be by my side like most of you have always been. Thank you.
Well, पूजा, हम आपको ज़्यादा इंतजार नहीं कराएंगे पानी पूरी काउंटर्स से, लेकिन आपकी फेवरेट पानी पूरी कौन सी है? जरा यहाँ पे हमारे स्टॉल वाले जानना चाहेंगे ताकि वो रेडी रहे.
No,
So please tell us.
So I have completed my school and college from Pune, and my favorite पानी पूरी जो वहाँ पे बाबाजान चौक पे मिलती है, शिव शंकर पानी पूरी, बहुत छोटा सा ठेला है, but what amazing पानी पूरी. So कहते हैं ना सबकी यादें हैं. पानी पूरी is I think memories. For me it takes me back to school and college days, which is in Pune. So that's my most favorite. Unless any of these stalls beat it, that still remains my favorite. So let's see what they've got in store.
Thank you so much, Pooja. चलो, इससे पहले कि मैं आपको नीचे जाने के लिए रिक्वेस्ट करूं, I request you to please felicitate and encourage our पानी पूरी stall वालास. Okay, मैं उनको स्टेज पे बुलाऊंगी. Felicitate them with yeah. चलिए शुरुआत करते हैं. Let's go for it. I request over here the team of Om Snacks to please join us on the stage. जोरदार तालियां बजाएं. Come on, everyone. The team of Om Snacks is here.
Look at.
आपका स्टॉल कहाँ है? ये लेके
I request Vinod ji, Mr. Vinod from Midday to please join us on the stage. Thank you so much, sir, for joining us. And next, I request on the stage to join us Sattu's Sweets and Snacks. The team of Sattu Sweets and Snacks, please join us on the stage. इनके लिए जोरदार तालियां बजाएं everybody. 3 दिन से लगातार सारी यहाँ पे पेट पूजा करने वाले आले लॉयल पानी पूरी वालों के लिए इन्होंने पानी पूरी बना बना के खिलाए हैं. So great going. Thank you so much for participating at the midday Grand Pani Puri Fiesta Season 3. Next, I request Guru Kripa Pani Puri Siren team to please join us on the stage. इनके लिए भी जोरदार तालियां बजाएं. Come on everyone. तालियां बजाएं for the team of Guru Kripa Pani Puri Siren. Big smile for the camera. Vinod ji, please to join us.
One sec, पाजी.
Please look at the camera. Please smile for the camera.
Yeah, look here, please.
Thank you. Next, I request over here the team of Jai Bajrang Bhelpuri and Charts. जरा हमारे स्टेज पे आ जाएं. Can I have the team of Jai Bajrang Bhelpuri and Charts, जिनके यहाँ पे गर्दी भर कर है. Can we have them on the stage? Next, I request Akash, the Sweets Corner, the team of Akash, the Sweets Corner, to please join us on the stage. पूजा सारे फ्लेवर्स आज आपको ट्राई करके जाने हैं. Absolutely. Thank you so much to Akash, the Sweets Corner team. Next, I request the team of Jalpuris to please join. Okay, now we have the team of Jai Bajrang Bhelpuri and Charts. Please join us on the stage. इनके लिए जोरदार तालियां बजाएं everybody. The team of Jai Bajrang Bhelpuri and Charts. Great going. Congratulations. Thank you so much for your participation. It's right here. All right. The next team, the team of Jalpuris. The team of Jalpuris, please to join us on the stage. इनके लिए जोरदार तालियां बजाएं. Come on everyone. Big smile for the camera. Big smile for the camera.
Yeah, look here, please. Yeah, look here.
The next I request the team of Chandrika Bains India Food. Chandrika Bains India Food to please join us on the stage. Chandrika Bains India Food, please to join us on the stage. Big smile for the camera.
Ma'am, look here. Yeah, ma'am, look here.
Please look in the camera. Thank you so much. And Pooja, before you go, एक picture हो जाए.
I have to go, I have to eat.
In such a short while, लेकिन इसी बीच में let's welcome on the stage. अब ज़्यादा रोकेंगे नहीं. We are welcoming Asmita Vakte once again on the stage. Everyone who's going to rock the stage.
मैं ये कहना चाहूँगी that a lot of people that who know me, they'd be extremely exasperated and shocked. कि How is Pooja at such an event? Because I am someone who follows my diets very regularly. I'm extremely serious when it comes to workout and fitness. But when I got to know that this is Mumbai's best Pani Puri, I could not resist. And so it's an absolute pleasure and an absolute. I think my stomach's going to thank me after so many years, probably decades, that I'm going to feast it and spoil it with some nice, tasty, yummy Pani Puri that I'm actually looking forward to going and binging on.
और मैं ये mention किया मम्मी आएंगे
Actually, this event, सब लोग जैसे celebrities कहते हैं event हमारे लिए बहुत special है. ये event actually मेरे लिए और भी ज़्यादा special हो गया है because my sister is extremely camera shy. I think Google पे उनकी एक भी photo नहीं मिलेगी आपको because जैसे वो media camera देखती है वो पीछे से भाग जाती है. She's just lost. She just completely disappears. You have to look for her. So the moment my sister and my mother came to know that it's a Pani Puri event today, they said हम भी आ सकते हैं. I said of course आ सकते हो and they're both there for this event.
talking about the publication, बहुत special publication है, Natural Stories करता है, तब से follow करने क्या special लगता है उनके news content के बारे में?
Yeah, I think Midday is extremely special. In fact, I've been associated with them since the time I know Rahul. And जब वो कहते हैं ना जब इमारत की नींव ही इतनी strong होती है, then you can imagine how beautiful the इमारत is. Midday for me is family. So what more do I say? The fact that I'm here at this event says how much it means to me, and I'm extremely grateful and thankful to them for having me play such an event and organize such an event for people.
राहुल सर, जब हम लोग पहले बताएंगे सर क्या कहेंगे?
इस इवेंट में वो आंटी अपना प्रेजेंस देके गई, which means she is part of Mumbai as well as part of my family.
I think what is the most beautiful thing about Midday, I think ये लोग बहुत creative हैं. The kind of Congratulations.
working on or any project?
Yes, Jeevan Bima Yojana is a comedy film with Arshad Varsi, directed by Abhishek Dogra, so that's going to be my next. Vijay Raj is in it as well, so I'm really looking forward to this one. Thank you. Come, let's eat Pani Puri.
हमारा थोड़ा पीछे
एक Pani Puri होनी चाहिए रात में. My first Pani Puri, I expect that to
ऐसे नहीं भूलिएगा जी जी प्लीज ये लो यहाँ पे
अरे इस तरफ आ जा
छोटा देना कि
नहीं
मिठा
छोटा
है?
नहीं बड़ा ही देना
मिठा ही होगा. छोटा बड़ा फिर कैसे होगा? अभी आप
I am from Calcutta.
From Calcutta.
From Harvard. I can understand Bengali. I can.
I was born in Calcutta. Are you guys He's the only
How long have you been away from Calcutta?
Sorry?
How long have you been away from Calcutta now?
Since my birth.
And you would not relate pretty much to it.
So I can understand my mommy can speak Bengali really well.
तो आगे आपको समझ में आएगा टेस्ट कैसा है.
मुझे दाल मिर्ची खाने अरे बाप रे ये नाउ
दिल्ली बोलो इसको इधर हटो
फोटो के लिए ये सब करा
Look here, look.
I can have the rava banna. Add it all over it.
इसका जो पानी है ये भी हमारी कंपनी बनाती है हमसे हो जा रहे हैं ये हमारा
Actually, very nice. Please have an action. Actually, genuinely, these are my best ones. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you.
मैडम को पीछे लो थोड़ा नेक्स्ट सेलिब्रिटी भाई थोड़ा जगह बना के रखो थोड़ा बस थोड़ा गैप दे दो
ज़्यादा नहीं कम पीछे मम्मा
गैप बना
I am so sorry. Please have it. You have it. No, you have it.
Japanese
Mimi, give mama.
बिरयानी
Mama, I have it. Mama, I have
बिरयानी Japanese
it. Japanese, अच्छा
Japanese
wasabi.
wasabi.
But मेरे वो नहीं like सर पे नहीं बैठना चाहिए Japanese like wasabi.
No second.
It should not hit. It should not hit. I start crying. मम्मी हमसे बहुत spicy नहीं है. Spicy नहीं है. Mama, I have Mimi.
ये फ्लेवर है
Michi? Michi is there? No?
नहीं अच्छा अच्छा
No Michi? I eat from mama. No mama, you eat video also. ये कौन सा?
Japanese wasabi.
Yeah.
भाई थोड़ा गैप बना के रखो थोड़ा बस भाई सॉरी
मैंने एक ही कहा हर जगह Someone's phone is ringing, huh? ये कौन सी बिरयानी? I've never heard of biryani pani puri ever in my life.
I told them it's really very unique and first time even I
You
have
like this? Like this?
not spicy.
Huh? I'm not getting scared. That's
Very nice.
અરે કેમેરા તો રેડી રાખવાનું છે હાલો 2 bites. Why 2 bites?
Your brain will freeze.
Oh shit. Full
brain.
Let's try me. One bite. Come on.
It's okay. Now this is the pine coke, pina colada with chaat masala. Pina colada, pine coke ice cream. This pine coke.
Thank you. Very nice.
This is after Mukwas. Very soft.
But this is the end.
इधर पूरी देना छोटा वाला
यहाँ पे सेंटर लोग
पकड़ सकते हो
मैडम यहाँ पे देखिए सामने देखिए
सिर्फ मीठा कुछ मत कर नहीं फिर से खाएंगे
यहाँ पे थोड़ा मोबाइल बहुत कैमरा
अरे भाई वो क्यों रहे वही कैलकाटा
विवेक जी एक सेकंड
शूट कर लूँ उसके बाद कर या लुक या मैम या पूजा मैम या दिस कैमरा या